Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Monashi. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class A. Today you have this one is your R.W class, revision class. We have finished our half yearly syllabus, so we are going to the revision part. Now it is chapter 1, lesson 5, 6 and 8, 9. Okay, according to your half yearly syllabus, we are going to the R.W classes. So let's start our today's class, students. It is R.W of chapter 1, lesson 5, 6 and 8, 9. Lecture number 18 and HW number 16. Now starts our class. It is lesson 5. You have to know some basic idea about this all of the lesson. So I have pointed some important topic here. We have to know this topic must by after learning or after finishing this lesson. It will be helpful for your preparation of your exam. It is lesson 5, the concept of Nubuwwat. You know that lesson 5 is about the Nubuwwat. What is Nubuwwat? You have to understand these things first. You know that the message comes from Allah to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to show us the righteous path. It is called Nubuwwat. Okay, so you have to make it clear about the concept of Nubuwwat. By reading your book, you have to give some concept or definition of Nubuwwat. Necessity of Nubuwwat. You know why it is necessary, why Nubuwwat is necessary. It is described in your book. Without Nubuwwat, we would not be able to get the righteous path or to know the wrong thing or right thing. So without the instruction of prophets and messenger and the Allah, we would not be able to get the righteous path, to get the way of Jannah. So necessity of Nubuwwat are vast in our life, in the Islamic life, to the leading of Islamic life. So you know, you can get it the answer, prepared answer from your book also. Evidence of the end of Nubuwwat. You know that Nubuwwat or Khatamun Nubuwwat, end of Nubuwwat means Khatamun Nubuwwat. Khatamun Nabi is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and there are some evidence of Khatamun Nubuwwat. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet. There are some evidence of hadith, some evidence of Quran and some evidence of logical are described in your book. And in hadith said, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ana khatamun nabiyyin," that I am the last prophet, and la nabi ba'di. Amar pore ar kono, there are no prophets after me. Okay, ana khatamun nabiyyin, la nabi ba'di. So I am the last prophet, and there is no other prophet after me. And there are the evidence of Quran also. Some here. Evidence of Quran that Allah about the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah said in the Quran Majid that al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa raditu lakum islamu dina. These verses has been revealed after that, and then after revelation of these verses, then we have to understand that the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the Khatamun Nabiyyin, and there are the completion of or Islam. It is fulfilled now, it is complete now. So there are some this kind of evidence are described in your book also. Now lesson 6, there are it is about the akhirat. You know the concept of akhirat, it should be clear. The concept of about the concept of akhirat, you know that akhirat is a everlasting life or everlasting place. After this life, it is called akhirat. The life after death is called akhirat. It is everlasting. So you have to give some elements of akhirat by the reference of Quran and Hadith. Many places in your book it is described with the reference of Quran and Hadith. The stages of akhirat. Here are many stages of akhirat. But in your book there are 2 stages of akhirat are described. It is grave, means barzakh, and another one is qiyamah or doomsday are described here. Okay, so you have to describe this with the reference of Quran and Hadith. Describe these 2 steps of stages of akhirat. Okay, Now come to lesson 8, concept of Jannat. You know that Jannat is everlasting or ever peaceful places. It is the it is the it is the good people or the good doers people price for good doers people, or it is the feedback of the good doers people. This Jannat is a place where people will lead the happy life. There will no sorrow and nothing will be painful over there. Okay, concept of Jannat with the reference of Quran and Hadith are described here in many places in your textbook. Here also Allah said in Quran Majid in many places about the description of Jannat, that how Jannat will be how peaceful and how memorable and how happiness you will get there, how much happiness you will get over there. So there are 9 Jannat, there are 8 Jannats mentioned in many places, and in your book also there are 8 names of Jannat are here. Ways to gain Jannat with the reference of Quran and Hadith, you have to give it and you have to know it about these things. Okay, and now lesson 9, it is concept of Jahannam. You know Jahannam is the place for the bad doers or bad people. It is the punishment. As it is the reward, this is also the punishment for the bad doers. Okay, names of Jahannam, there are 7 names of Jahannam. So Jahannams are 7, Jannats are 8. Names are mentioned in your book, so you have to learn this. Now come to here, this point, ways to escape from Jahannam. There are some ways to escape or stay away from Jahannam are described in your book also, are said our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and many other prophets also. We have to follow that things. Okay, we have to follow the rules and regulation of Islam, and we should not go listen to shaitan. Okay, so there are many kinds of ways or many escape types of ways to stay away from Jahannam. Okay, dear students, it is HW number 16. HW number 16. You have to answer this question. Answer this application based question. You have to answer this question according 2 marks. Okay, so you have to write concept of Jahannam, Akhirat. Concept of Akhirat. What is the Akhirat? Definition of Akhirat. Something like that. Concept of Jannat and concept of Jahannam. So you have to give these 3 question answer. Okay, it is your HW number 16. You can do it with the help of book, with the help of our previous YouTube class also. Okay, or you can take help from the live class also. Okay, that's enough for today, dear students. I hope that you have understood and you will take preparation well for your examination. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.